Good morning, Namaskar, and it's a festive season 2026. It is starting. So, wishing to all a very happy and prosperous, nicest Chaitra Navratri 2026, Gudi Parva, and different others. Happiest New Year. It is starting according to the Hindu mythology and different states with different religion. So these are the festivals today we are celebrating in India, and this is the time to start a new beginning. And it comes with prosperity and happiness in the home. So once again, wishing to all a very happy, prosperous, nicest Navratri 2026, and also Gudi Parva and different other festival. Enjoy this festival, and also starts with new work, new blessings, and a great day. Thank you.